okay?
Oo, okay lang.
Tingnan nyo guys dito sa Crimson sa Boracay. Masyadong accommodating.
Ano yung ano po sir? Ano kita subscribe?
Manlalakbay biyahero.
Ay!
Pero more on, tracking sa Canada.
Sige.
Okay, for today's video, wala akong boses. Wala akong boses.
This is silent vlog for today.
Andito na naman kami sa airport. Sasakay na naman kami ng aeroplano. Ano ba tayo? Cebu Pacific? Air Asia. Ito. Currency exchange. Saan tayo Iloilo? Hindi mo Boracay na kayo. Ano ba Katiklal?
Lagi ba po yun? 7:30 na.
Ina. 5J.
Kumain muna tayo.
Barangay.
Wala pa po ito. Hanggang 1 lang yan.
Cebu!
Hanggang 455 lang eh.
May 5 something. 7:05.
Ay, masala. Wala pa. Wala pa. Hindi pa, lalabas pa. Galit. Wala pa.
Final call.
7, ano ba tayo? Ano oras? 7. Saan tayo? Eh wala. Hintay muna tayo. Hindi kakain.
I have it saved on my online banking and I only have 1,000 on there. Oh, dyan. There you go. I want to leave.
Doon.
For the aircraft now using 81348.
Cathay Pacific. Sa baba? Alis na.
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a star on my pillow.
Wait.
Don't make a sound, I shake. rewind and the corkscrew.
Traffic.
You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up. We can spend all
Light
day.
automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not replace the light vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it.
naka-half day na tayo.
8:43 a.m.
Ay, sa bus nga.
Ew, you made it.
Iba. Oh. Bus tayo. Dito tayo.
Kabas tayo.
Lolo, you made it.
Baka may kasama pa tayong iba.
Ayun lang.
Kasi parang isang service tayo. Nakakakuya.
Toyota!
Sabi ko kay Papa, sabi sa inyo, yaman yung
Oh, naatras!
na-attract.
Pwede na kami sumakay.
Good morning, yes.
Okay, dito na kami sa aming shuttle service. Winnipeg!
Ayaw ko, bababa na ako. Hindi daw pwede ko na magsama. Winnipeg, bababa na ako pagpawin na.
Ayoko ng Winnipeg.
Winnipeg!
May kasabay daw tayo.
Ah, meron?
Oo, meron daw. Sabi ni Kuya meron daw.
Reading at Quezon, welcome back to is our private course. Our travel time would approximately be 7 to 10 minutes. So just prepare your ID or passport for registration. Thank you so much.
I need your hat.
Dalawa lang pala napadagdag. Try, binaba natin yan.
Very nice. No, it's not our house. That's the port. Yeah, it's the port. The boat. The island.
Go!
Mas ano pangalan niyo?
Just follow and subscribe to my channel.
Mabuhay po.
Oh, akala ko welcome drinks na eh.
Meron tayo mga...
Oh, meron pala.
Wala namang kulang yan din.
Luya no? Ano may luya?
Yung ID nito. Kasi yung ID namin na ilagay na namin.
ID.
Isang 6, isang 12.
ID natin.
ID sila. Per room na lang tayo, sir.
Jana, your favorite? Ano ba?
No! No!
What do you want? Butter cookies. Give me.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good, that's good. If I'm not.
Mine.
That's good.
Wala siya natin sila.
Ang dami naman. Kapag tayo ng bangka.
Kailan nyo na kaya?
Uy! Yung ibang kiss maawa ka naman.
Scary, scary.
Double check.
Yeah. So that's sir, yung unahin lang namin kasi malapit na yung boat niya.
Alin yung boat? Yan?
No, yan po, yung parating. Yung white.
White? Ah, re.
Yeah, yes.
Sa kanila.
Oh, break lang kayo, then smoke po sila. Ambal ko, better to wait there. Ako balang sa inyo.
Asure. So, dito na kami sa Crimson. Ano sila, ma-accommodating, no? May pagkain. Take out. Gusto nyo mag-take out? Yan daw yung boat natin. Yan puti. Yan, puting yan.
Ang ginagawa mo
Ito, ang
dyan?
dami na to dyan, oh. Dyan na, here.
Ang ginagawa mo dyan, Georgiana?
Ayun, tumutupi. Makahiya.
Dyan, just touch it.
Mabilis din yung boat. Oh.
Tignan mo, oh.
Yung puti doon sa atin, di ba?
Yan.
Yan ba o yun? Yung
Ayan. Magpaparasailing ba kayo?
party boat lang tayo.
Tapos sa akin.
Oh, tingnan.
Oo, okay lang.
Tingnan nyo guys dito sa Crimson sa Boracay. Masyadong accommodating.
Ano yung ano po sir? Ano po ba? Subscribe?
Manlalakbay biyahero.
Ay!
Pero more on, tracking sa Canada.
Sige.
Kaya,
Sa YouTube?
kaya ito na.
Sa Facebook ay certified biyahero.
Wait lang po.
Banana bread.
Okay lang yan, native lang.
Biyahero sir.
Yeah.
Saan yan sir?
Bakit wala?
Kaya, sa YouTube. Anong sa YouTube sir?
Manlalakbay biyahero. Mababa pa lang ha. Yan.
Yeah, ito. Okay.
Kasi ito sa Facebook.
Sir, picturean ko na lang, sir. Facebook. Ayan, certified. Tama naman ah. Ulitin ko lang, sir. Certified. Ay, ito, sir, oh. Meron. Ito na yun. Ito.
Yan.
Kalat
Thank
ka,
you.
sir.
Shout out kay ate. Thank you.
Ay, sinabing daw special.
Nasaan ba yung pamahid yan?
Nandito.
We would like to inform everyone that we will not be directly on this
Ano yan?
Magka-dock down direct on fish front.
No, doctor.
No, sit down.
Sit down. No, sit down.
While I waited for the sun to shine, I was crying on my own. It was all a waste of time all along.
safe dito sa isla ng Station Zero.
Can I swim?
Later, go walk. Dali. Come on. Bilis. Dito kami nag-check-in sa Station Zero. Sa Boracay.
That house is so big.
Yeah. Come on. Bilis. So, for the last week ng vacation, dito muna kami sa beach.
Wait for me.
Ako nga din photographer eh. Photographer ka eh. Di ba gano'n naglalakad ng photographer? Diyan na, bring it back.
Thank you, but kwenta na.
Ano daw yan?
Dalandan.
Thank you. Sarap.